contrast.
Oke. Mbaknya ada bilang comparison.
Cause episode.
Kenapa tadi mbaknya bilang comparison?
Sebab dan akibat kan. That is because
Karena di dalam kalimat itu ada sebab, ada akibat.
Ntar dulu.
Oke, silakan mbak. Ntar dulu.
Bukannya ini perbandingan.
Wait. Dia katanya a whale eats seekor paus memakan banyak makanan samudra. Wait. A whale eats a lot of ocean food every day. Jadi ini seekor paus ini memakan banyak sekali apa bilangnya? Enggak, makanan di samudra atau di laut. Itu karena hal ini dikarenakan dia itu adalah binatang yang sangat besar. Jadi ini adalah cause and effect. Dia itu binatang besar, makanya dia banyak makan. Dia banyak makan karena dia itu binatang besar. Nah, jadi itu hubungan sebab akibat. Yes.
Otak itu saya masih.
Dan
satu paragraf itu.
Iya.
Belum move on.
Dan dia juga karena kita ada melihat because. That is because. Jadi kalau misalnya ada yang because kayak gini, dia itu adalah hubungan sebab akibat.
Ya.
Gampang kan? Daripada yang tadi.
Yes. Ya,
mendingan lah.
Oke, coba kita lihat langsung exercise 1. Halaman selanjutnya 4.14. Coba Mbak Rina. Wait. Mbak ini deh, Mbak Eka udah balik. Mbak Eka Ayuning Tias, silakan Mbak. Mbak Eka.
Halo Miss.
Iya Mbak.
Sorry Miss, barusan nganterin ke toilet.
Oke. Ini Mbak Eka yang ngomongkannya.
Iya.
Oke. Coba Mbak Eka exercise 1 halaman 4.14.
Yang mana?
Yang a parakeet
14.
Yes.
Halamannya.
Parakeet is small thing.
Bentar. Ini. Yang a parakeet ini.
Yes, Mbak.
A parakeet is a small bird that lives in southern forest. The parrot is similar to a parakeet, but it is larger. But birds sometimes can learn how to say words.
Okay, a parakeet is a small bird that lives in a southern forest. The parrot is similar to a parakeet, but it is larger. So it's larger, okay? But both birds sometimes can learn how to say words. Jadi ini kira-kira apa?
Bentar, Miss. Comparison.
How about the others? Do you guys have another answer?
Comparison lah.
Comparison kan ya, karena dia compare si antara parakeet sama parrot. Right. Alright, number 2 coba Mbak Rina. Balik ke Mbak Rina.
Some kinds of birds cannot fly. The penguin is one of them. This bird. It lives mostly in the very cold Antarctic climate. Another kind of bird that cannot fly is the ostrich. It lives in Africa.
Okay, some kinds of birds cannot fly. The penguin is one of these birds. It lives mostly in the very cold Antarctic climate. Another kind of bird that cannot fly is the ostrich. It lives in Africa. Jadi ini listing, comparison, time order, atau cause effect?
Comparison lah.
Mhm.
Comparison.
Bandingkan kan, comparison. Time order.
Itu listing, Miss.
Kenapa itu sih?
Soalnya kan itu menjelaskan ada beberapa burung yang tidak bisa terbang kan. Salah satunya itu penguin dan juga yang lainnya itu adalah ostrich. Jadi itu listing.
Right, jadi jawabannya adalah listing. Dan dia tidak comparison karena dia tidak membedakan kedua burung ini. Dia cuma memberitahu beberapa burung yang ini yang cannot fly. And then it's definitely not time order. Karena kalau time order kita harus punya chronological atau kronologi. Jadi dia itu nggak time order ya. Number 3. Mbak Rohayati. Mbak Rohayati.
Number 2 mah.
3.
Number 3, Lisa plans to travel in Europa this year. She will visit Sicily, then in July she will bicycle in northern Italy. In August she will travel through France. By September she hopes to be in Paris.
Okay, Lisa plans to travel in Europe this summer. In June, she will visit Sicily. Then in July, she will bicycle in... What does it mean, she will bicycle? She will bicycle in northern Italy. In August, she will travel through France. By September, she hopes to be in Paris. Jadi ini kira-kira apa ya?
Time order.
Yes, jadi ini time order kan ya, karena itu ada waktunya. Ada summer, ada Juni, Juli, Agustus sama September. Alright, number 4 Mbak Sinta.
Cinta ada 2 nih.
Ada 2, Miss.
Oh, Mbak Sinta Mustika. Mbak Sinta Mustika nggak bisa ini ya. Dan Mbak ini deh.
Boleh Mbak ini?
Oh, boleh.
Saya dari Mbak ini.
Putus-putus suaranya, Mbak.
Ya udah.
Mbak Sintawati nggak bisa ini ya. Ngomong tadi ya.
Halo, Miss.
Yes, Mbak. Oh, bisa. Kalau gitu Mbak ini deh, Mbak Sinta Mustika tadi nggak bisa ya? Kalau gitu ganti ke Mbak Sintawati deh, number 4.
Headaches are often the result of psychological causes. For example, worrying about something can cause a headache. Ini cause effect.
Cause and effect ya, dia hubungan sebab dan akibat. Right.
Yeah.
Coba nomor selanjutnya, exercise 2, Mbak Siti Kardina.
Halo.
Ya, Mbak. Number 1.
Ya, Miss. Aku nggak ada gambarnya, Miss.
Di buku, Mbak, di buku.
Bukan tadi.
Nggak ada ya?
Timing 1 apa 2?
Exercise 2. The claim bake.
Maaf baru buka karena tadi itu emailnya aku udah dikirim Miss, udah masuk belum?
Belum saya cek Mbak email saya. Jadi ini Mbaknya bisa membaca sekarang? Atau
Enggak bisa nih.
Oke,
Ini harus
kita kasih
bisa
sama
dulu.
temannya ya, Mbak. Nanti saya balik lagi ke
Ganti
Mbak.
aja dulu ya,
Sri.
sambil aku nyari ya.
Mbak Sri Indriyati.
Exist the claim. The clam bake is a popular New England dinner. It usually includes many different kinds of seafood. Clam are the most common kind of seafood at a clam bake. There may also be lobster and mussels.
Okay, the clam bake is a popular New England dinner. It usually includes many different kind of seafood. Clams are the most common kind of seafood at a clam bake. There may also be lobster and mussels. Jadi ini kira-kira apa? Ayo.
Listing.
Yes. Jadi ini adalah listing ya. Okay, number 2. Next, Mbak Tika.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Many people do not like to use computer for writing. They prefer to use typewriters. They know computers are faster and more accurate, but they are more comfortable with typewriters.
Right. Many people do not
My
like.
answer
Okay, your answer is
comparison because computer are faster and more accurate.
Right. Jadi ini ada membandingkan kan ya. Dia membandingkan computers are faster and more accurate. Yes, jadi ini perbandingan. Right. Mbak Cintawati juga bilang comparison and contrast, right, Mbak? Number 3, next, Mbak Ani Prayogi. Prayogi apa Prayogi? Prayogi Ati. Okay.
Ya, yang nomor 3 ya, Miss.
Yes, gold.
Gold was first found in California in about 1840. The next 10 years in American history are called the California Gold Rush. Many people moved to the West during those years to look for gold. By 1850, there were many new gold rush found in California.
Yang mana? Coba saya ulangi lagi ya. Gold was first found in California in about 1840. The next 10 years in American history are called the California Gold Rush. Many people moved to the West during those years to look for gold. By 1850, there were many new gold rush towns in California.
Cause effect, Miss.
Cause and effect?
Miss.
Time order.
Oh, California sama ini.
So, ini adalah
California. Tapi ini korn.
Jadi ini adalah sebenarnya time order ya. Karena dia itu ada 1840, baru dia menceritakan the next 10 years, lalu dia bilang those years to look for gold, and then 1850, so it's time order. Okay? Oke, coba kita lihat yang Mbak Bella di formative test 2, number 1. Formative test 2, number 1. Di atasnya ada jawaban gitu.
Apa? Oh,
Bukannya nomor 4, Miss.
Iya,
Bawahnya.
saya apa itu namanya? Saya lompati ke formative test 2.
iya nggak ada jawabannya.
Coba yang
Some of the early Americans did not want to come to this corn TRV. For example, there were many Africans who had come as slaves. Some Europeans had to come for religious reasons.
Okay, some of the early Americans did not want to come to this corn TRV. For example, there were many Africans who had come as slaves. Some Europeans had to come for religious reasons. Ini kira-kira apa? Time order tentu tidak, cause and effect tentu tidak, comparison atau listing?
Listing.
Right, the answer is listing ya. Listing. Okay, the second one. Mbak Diana.
Nomor berapa?
Nomor 2, Mbak.
Nomor 2.
Nomor 2 yang all.
When you study
For an exam, you should follow these 3 steps. First, you should make sure you have all the information you need. Next, you should have that information in order. Then you should make a list of the most important things.
Okay, when you study for an exam, you should follow these 3 steps. First, you should make sure you have all the information. Next, and then. First, next, then. Itu kira-kira apa?
Listing. Time order.
First, yang pertama. Yang selanjutnya. Kemudian, yes. Right, it's time order. Oke, sekarang coba lihat ke screen saya. Ada itu. Kira-kira nomor 1 coba dibaca. Dan siapa yang bisa jawab? Yuk. Bisa lihat screen saya tak? Oke, coba deh. Ada yang bisa jawab?
Listing.
Listing? Ada jawaban lain? Coba siapa yang bisa ini baca?
Chimps are intelligent enough to make and use dinner utensils. Jane Goodall was the first scientist to study this behavior. One day, as she was observing several chimps pluck long blades of grass and strip off the leaf, each lick one end to make it sticky, and poke the stem into a ternite nest. Each chimp then pulled the stem out covered with termites and licked them off much as a child would a lollipop.
Oke, jadi ini dia ini listing, time order, cause effect atau comparison?
Listing.
Nomor 2 ya.
Antara listing sama comparison. Bukan.
Antara listing sama time order.
Ya, jadi kira-kira yang mana nih?
Kayaknya ke listing.
Karena comparison tidak dan cause and effect juga tidak.
Nomor berapa sih, Miss? Nomor 2 ya, Miss?
Di screen saya, Mbak, di
Di
screen.
screen.
Cause and effect.
Display SKP.
Cause and effect. Nggak ada gambarnya.
Oh,
Untuk membaca bukunya nggak ada.
nggak ada ya gambarnya
Bukan
ya?
di buku.
Iya, di screen.
Nggak ada
Di nggak ada blank punya saya.
Wait a second, okay?
Cause effect nih.
Cause and effect.
Cause and effect.
Are you sure?
No.
Listing
So much silver alone.
or time order.
Oh, hello. Iya, udah ngantuk ya.
Jadi itu time order atau bagaimana? Atau listing?
Listing.
Coba dibaca sekali lagi. Chimps are intelligent.
Are intelligent now to make and use China utensils. Jane Goodall was the first scientist to study this before behavior one day as she was observing several long blades of grass and stripped off the leaves. Each liquid one end to make it sticky, and pocket the stem into a terminate. Each stem then pulled the stem out, covered with terminate, and licked them off, much as a child would a lollipop.
Oke. Jadi kira-kira ini listing atau time order?
Time order nih.
Kenapa time order, Mbak?
Karena dia ilmuwan pertama yang mempelajari kayak teknologi gitu.
Yang kedua yang bilang ini listing kenapa? Karena menceritakan. Nah, kalau misalnya ini, dia ini lebih ke time order. Meskipun dia nggak ada time-nya, tapi dia bilang one day, as she was, jadi itu kayak step to step. Jadi itu lebih ke step to step, jadi kita bilang itu time order. Okay? And then the next one, I have this one. Number 2. The high cost of college today creates several problems for many students in more ways than one.
Cause effect nih.
Ini gampang ya. Cause and effect. The high cost of college today creates several problems for many students in more ways than one. Okay, cause and effect. The last one. There are 3 reasons why Titanic sank.
Listing.
Listing? There are 3 reasons why Titanic sank.
Susunan. Ada 13 semua pertanyaan semua.
Susunan? Listing?
Susunan apa ya?
There are 3 reasons why Titanic sank. Ini bukan listing. Karena dia tidak ada listnya. Dia cuma bilang there are three reason and why, which is cause and effect, right? The next one, you can use a fire extinguisher to put out a small fire in the following manner. First, hold the fire extinguisher upright. Second, remove the safety pin. Next, direct the hose at the base of the fire. Finally, push or squeeze. Apa ini? Time order ya, gampang ya. Fire, first, second, next, and finally. Oke, next. Oh, ini agak panjang nih. Coba nih dibaca. Coba ada yang bisa baca?
Saya yang miss, nggak apa-apa, salah juga.
Oke, Mbak.
Although few circumstances make you as nervous as speaking in public, thus there are some simple ways to cope. For one thing, use visual aid or handout if possible to take the focus of you also. Have a glass of water handy. This service to mucus surfaces is absorbed and it helps keep the mouth moist for eating. In addition, stand behind a dish or pew or sit at a table. You'll feel and look more relaxed than if you were standing. Less and most important, yourself. Have you seen more formal style will make you and your ideas less comfortable?
Okay. Although few circumstances make us as nervous as speaking in public does, there are some simple ways to cope. For one thing, use visual aids or handouts if possible to take the focus. Also have a glass, dish serve. Ini kira-kira apa ini? Kayaknya gampang deh.
Comparison.
Really? Really? Is it comparison?
Listing.
Ya, jadi ini listing ya. Dia itu melist atau apa ya list bahasa Indonesianya? Merincikan beberapa hal. Yes, Mbak Eka juga bilang itu listing. So it's listing. Okay, so far you guys understand about this one? Pola?
Yes.
Ini lebih gampang ya dari yang tadi. Yang tadi tuh ambigu sekali. Okay, the next one coba buka bukunya halaman 4.19. Good evening Mbak Surnia baru masuk ya. Dari tadi nggak bisa masuk. 4.19. Udah bisa? Udah ada dibuka? Oke. Jadi kalau yang di sini tadi kan kita mau skimming point of view-nya si penulis. Yang pertama, yang kedua kita mau melihat susunan dari suatu teks. Apakah itu yang 4 hal itu. Nah, sekarang kita mau lihat ide pokoknya dari suatu tulisan dengan cara membaca cepat. Oke? And then let's see your book page 4.19.